Opening a Bank of Baroda SME account is a great way to manage your business finances efficiently. To get the most out of this account, it is essential to understand its features and benefits. First, identify the type of SME account that suits your business needs. As Bank of Baroda offers various options such as the Baroda Small Business Current Account, Baroda Vidyarthi Current Account, and Baroda Premium Current Account. Each account has its unique features, such as minimum balance requirements, transaction limits, and interest rates. Once you have chosen the right account, ensure you have all the necessary documents to open the account, including your business registration documents, identity proof, and address proof. You can apply for the account online or visit a Bank of Baroda branch. After opening the account, it is crucial to manage your account effectively. This includes monitoring your account transactions regularly, keeping track of your account balance, and setting up account alerts to notify you of any transactions. You can also use Bank of Baroda's online banking and mobile banking services to manage your account remotely. To maximize the benefits of your SME account, take advantage of the bank's value-added services such as cash management, trade finance, and payment solutions. These services can help you streamline your business operations, manage your cash flow, and improve your overall business efficiency. Additionally, consider setting up an overdraft facility or a line of credit to meet your business funding needs. Bank of Baroda offers various loan options tailored to the needs of small and medium-sized enterprises, with competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. Finally, it is essential to maintain a good account hygiene by ensuring you have sufficient balance in your account, avoiding overdrafts, and keeping your account active. This will help you build a strong credit history and improve your chances of getting approved for loans and other credit facilities in the future. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your Bank of Baroda SME account and take your business to the next level. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions of your account and seek assistance from the bank's customer support team if you need any help.